What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, editor-in-chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. I am super excited to bring you the long-awaited unboxing video of the Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 FX 300 AIO, because this comes in 240 and 280. This is the largest one, being 360 millimeter radiator. This is an RGB AIO water cooling system. So, before I want to start, I want to give a big thank you to Emil Bachiv. Thank you so much for your patience and support. I know we couldn't get as quick as out we said we could because sadly my health wasn't doing the best, and my two other jobs snuck on me and decided to get me really busy. I'm a volcanologist with the USGS, and I do in-home computer repair with Nick's Computer Fix. So yeah, that kind of snuck up on me, took a bunch of my time. But I'm so excited to bring you this amazing unboxing video. Box kind of got beat up in shipping, that's okay. But it shows the Be Quiet logo. The product itself, it looks real sharp with that RGB. Immersive lighting. Superior cooling. Let's see. Immersive lighting, superior cooling. And it just shows the name of the product on the front side. We got the essential. On the back here, you're going to find all of its information, including some of its really fun features. There is a refill port. So the cool thing is, oh, you can get it here. There's a refill port on this thing, which makes it really awesome. So you can add your own coolant in there. So your own high performance coolant if you want, which is really awesome in an AIO. Because normally you're stuck with the stuff they put in there. This, on the other hand, you can actually exchange. So, it's got these gorgeous fans with it. Let's see. You got a little QR code. Clean that off a bit. That way you can scan that. And then you can actually scan and find out more information about the product and Be Quiet. Okay. Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. Alright, the blah to do the decoupled pump. So this thing is a key to well-known silent operation. This thing is supposedly stupid silent, yet really powerful with performance. You get these 360 millimeter fans. We have three 120 mil fans. If you wanted, you could go crazy and add 6 of them. But let's get this guy open, shall we? So what I will do, okay, we got some scissors here. Let's go ahead and get this puppy open, shall we? Okay, make an incision here. Another incision here. Then we'll have another incision up here. So it looks like this is one beefy boy. Gotta be careful when pulling all this out. Gonna fix away. All right, we have a lot here. The radiator right here, Pure Loop 2 FX. Looks like we have the little lighting node right here. Looking real sharp. If you have an RGB motherboard, you can actually attach this, which is really nice. We have the instruction manual. We have the warranty manual. We have a fistful of fans. These, I believe, are silent wing RGB fans. We have all your mounting hardware. This includes various motherboard sockets, AM4 Intel-based sockets, all your various screws and everything for them. You got some thermal paste right here. So show you that once we get all this other stuff here out. Then we still have even more. Down here is we have our coolant. We have Be Quiet Pure Loop coolant. Yes, this actually comes with coolant you have to put in, which is really, really crazy. God, there's so much stuff in here. So let's take a look at this. This looks so crazy. Look at this. I mean, this thing is just outright insane. This like is a pro water cooling kit in like an AIO form factor. Sharp looking water block. This radiator. There we go. I don't want to come out. Oh, go. That's what the radiator looks like. And we have our fans as well too. Take a look at these. These are light wings, is what they call them. And they just daisy chain together. They look really stunning. I love the way these fans look. I'm going to get 3 of them. Now, if you want to go even crazier, and if you want to even just buy more light wings, you could, and just have 6 of these bad boys on here for a total of 6 fans to give you even more overclocking power. And I told you we were going to show you some of these, some of this mounting hardware. Zip ties, thermal paste, right there, if you can see very closely. There goes the thermal paste syringe on the floor. This is our stuff for, it's like to be LDP Intel socket 718. This is going to be our Intel backplates and various screws. Make sure we keep everything together. This is for AMD, and it looks, and especially for AMD, this looks stupidly easy to put together. So it's like, I mean, even a caveman can put this on, which makes it really simple if you got an AMD CPU. And this does have, and this will have software to let you know if the coolant starts getting low. But from what it looks like, ladies and gentlemen, you can actually add your own coolant in here. That is a lot of gear. Holy bonkers. And wait, there's more. Because we still have the nodes to unbox. This is what you can mount on the back of the case using the double-sided sticky tape. So your fans are going to go in here. They're going to connect into over here. And that way you can see right here. It's where you'll connect your RGB fittings. You got more stuff on the side here. And this does hook up via SATA power. Then we're going to have a 4-pin for your pump. And then RGB header for your motherboard. And everything looks really, really nice. I like how they labeled everything. PWM, ARGB, and your DC. So Be Quiet's labeled everything real nice. And it says, Be Quiet! Right there, if you can see it on camera. And then just look at everything. I'm actually just gonna put this right here. Back a little. There we go. Okay. This is a lot of stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Be Quiet has gone balls to the wall when it comes to AIO kits. I mean, this is EK. I don't know if EK even has one where it's an AIO where you can refill it, which is actually the first I've seen in this. There's so much chock full stuff of this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching the unboxing video of the Be Quiet Pure Loop 2 FX RGB AIO kit. If you like this video, you know what to do, or RGB AIO water cooling kit has a bunch of different names. But this fan wants to jump off the table, and I'm not going to let it. If you like this video, you know what to do. You hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the dislike button if you did not like this video. And if you adored it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap it off the face, and pow, right in the kisser. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for your continued support and patience. I know things got delayed, but life just got in the way. My health, and then my 2 other jobs I had to deal with on top of Techno Warriors TV. So it can get a little stressful at times. But thank you guys so much. Thank you, Emil, for your awesome patience and support. I am going to see if I can't get you a Techno Warriors TV shirt. So if you're in the US, please email me with your information, and I can get a shirt sent off to you. Thank you guys so much, and have a great day.